Alright guys, so that should be it for the sketchy stuff, and dude, these things are, they are one with this motorcycle.
Alright guys, so we're out here testing the new MT10 with all the mods. I can go ahead and tell you from the get-go that this seat is everything. Also, there's a really fun turn up here that I wanted to experience with you guys. I love this turn. I travel far and wide to come to it. But yeah, the seat, this comfort seat, probably my favorite part of all the mods we put on, or I put on today. I'm not used to saying I put on the mods. But yeah, the comfort seat is so phenomenal. I am a super fan of it. Totally changes how comfortable this bike is to ride around. Woo! I always have to do that. I have to do this big windy turn and then I have to, for some reason, go as fast as I can afterwards. Granted, that's not as fast as I can go. I'm not even in sport mode, or, you know, mode one, the fastest mode. But yeah, the seat feels so good. I don't know if this is the exact same one that I had on the Nikon, but it is damn close. I feel like I could ride this bike for days now, as opposed to like it just being a regularly comfortable motorcycle. Now it's like proper comfortable. And if you're wondering if I'm riding faster because I have frame sliders on now, I'm not. This bike is just a lot of fun, and it's hard to not ride like that. All right, so granted we were just going 100 something, but now we're gonna go to the highway in order to test the new windscreen, because it should have less wind. I wanna get on the highway, I wanna get cruise control going, and I wanna get a vibe for how much better it is, because you know, I've been riding this bike for a hot minute now, and it's got a lot of wind, especially on the highway. Now, I don't really care about the wind when I'm just like going quick. Like if I'm going up the mountains, dude, I couldn't care less about wind. It's on the highway when I've got cruise control on and I just want to chill. I kind of want to see where the wind is hitting me. Another thing, after the highway, we're going to a parking lot, and I'm going to walk around the bike and show it to you guys. What's cool is I have a camera and a tripod in the bags. So I have no book bag on. I'm just using the bags, and dude, I'm telling you, me with a bad back riding with a book bag on, dude, it's so hard for me. It's so hard. Even with just one camera, one lens, you know, if I go to the mountains so I can take photos or something, I am still in excruciating pain by the end of the day. But with bags on the side of the bike, dude, I can just put my camera shit in there and don't have to worry about it. I am curious what the side bags are gonna feel like, you know, if I had them weighted down. I've only got, like I said, one camera and a tripod, like a tinier tripod, so it doesn't have a lot of weight on it right now, and I can't tell they're there, you know? I have no clue. It is not affecting the motorcycle at all. This stupid MT10, it makes you do really stupid things. Alright, so we're on the highway. As you guys can probably hear, the wind is probably terrible. Sorry, I'm still in the Atlas 1.0. I'm gonna be moving all my motovlogging stuff over to my Atlas 2.0, and the wind should get a lot better. So let's get cruise control on. Let's get set. Alright. Let's go on cruise status. So let's see where the wind's hitting me now. Wind's right there. So the wind's hitting me right in the face. It is a night and day difference from where it used to be. Right now, like ideally the wind would go over my head, and I know Yamaha makes like a really big screen. So if I was gonna do maybe like a cross country thing, which sounds cool as shit on this bike. If I was gonna do like a cross-country thing, the taller windscreen might be worth it. But this makes it so much more manageable here on the highway. My head's not even bobbling around. It's just kind of chilling here. And we're going 90. You guys just don't pay attention to how fast we're going. But yeah, it takes away all of that harshness that the wind typically is on this bike. And then it makes it even better if I'm, you know, getting some, you know, and I can tuck in. Oh, I can tuck in. No wind right here, guys. No wind at all. All right. I think I am going to go to this baseball stadium because I think there's a cool parking lot there and we can get a cool thumbnail photo. God, riding in this thing in mode 3 is the only way I can stay alive on it. Yeah, guys, I'm riding this thing around exactly like I want to and cannot tell the bags are even on the bike. That is the cool shit about this MT10. I've now got a little bit taller of a windscreen, I've got bags on the sides, and I can still ride it as stupid as I used to. You know what I mean? It is so multi-purpose, and I freaking love the shit out of it. I'm gonna make a video on it, but this bike is so my realistic dream bike. For me, right now in this moment, this is my realistic dream bike. I'll do a whole video on that though. Also, what's cool about these bags is they don't take up any more side space than the handlebars already do. How cool is that? Like, look back there. Like, they're this wide, the handlebar's that wide. If it's not the exact same, it's really freaking close. Oh, hello, Mr. Cop. I'm a touring motorcyclist. I ride in the name of the law, and I never disobey it. Random question for you guys. When you ride a motorcycle with a quick shifter, do you find that you shift more because you have a quick shifter? Is that just me, or do you guys have that too? It's so cool to have now a bike that's capable of touring, and I didn't have to make any sacrifices to get my bike to that point. I still feel like it is just as much of a hooligan machine as it was when I started my day today. But now, because of a few select mods, I've got an entirely capable touring machine. How cool is that? I love that. Alright, gotta figure out where the parking lot is. That it's up that road. That's where it was. Good job, Chase. You totally missed that. Oh yeah, we'll get it. Look at that. We got a spot. Alright guys, I want to show you guys this thing because it's so freaking cool. Alrighty guys, let's check out the MT10 touring mode. As you can see, it doesn't really change that much. It's the taller windscreen, the frame sliders, the rear pegs, or the rear bags and the bag, you know, assembly. And then we got that radiator guard. So freaking sick. I love how seamless those look. Can't feel these at all. I can definitely feel this thing. I don't know what the difference is in the comfort seat and the regular seat, but this thing is money and worth every single penny. Windscreen did solid. I could totally understand now getting a real tall one if I was going to do something super long, but yeah, man. All right, guys. Coolest part, right? Ready for my old ass back? Did I not even zip that up? Oh my God, I'm such a terrible touring rider. Look at that tripod. Freaking tripod, and my back ain't hurting at all. Alright guys, I'm going to take a thumbnail for this video, and you know, I'm going to take some Instagram stuff. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see some more of the mods we're going to be doing on the MT10, make sure to subscribe. This is touring mode, but I want race mode. Race mode's going to do some exhaust stuff, going to do some, you know what, we'll get into race mode later. I will see you guys on the next video. I've been Chaseontwowheels. Thank you guys for riding around with me, and I'll see you on the next one. Man, I want to take some photos so I can go back and ride. Alright guys, later. Outro crew, my boys, what do y'all like the most of all this stuff? What's your favorite part of it, of the touring kit? Seat, side bags, frame sliders, or the windscreen? Or, I mean, if your favorite thing is the radiator guard, then bless you, but, you know, not mine. My favorite's that seat. Outro crew, you guys know I love you a long time. Thanks for getting to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.